meeting to celebrate the success of new partnership. Two global leaders are coming together, Amgen and Hyderabad. I'm proud to welcome Amgen, one of the world's most famous biotech companies, to my city to establish its first development facility here. When I visited Amgen's R&D center in San Francisco along with Mr. Sridhar Babu Garu in August last year, I saw Amgen's great commitment to scientific innovation, transforming lives through research, innovation, invention in medicines and biotechnology. At the time, I had called our partnership a great breakthrough. At the time, the coming of Amgen to Hyderabad, our position as a hub of